Alright, this is how you tear down the Sccy cpx-2. I'm one-handed, so it's gonna be a little harder. You line this up with this, and I'll show you. You check, make sure she's empty. She is. Now you're gonna take and pull this little pin right here out. Get my finger now. Yes. Pull this right here out. There's the little pin. And you're just gonna take and rack it back. You're gonna pull this right all the way back and pull it forward. Just like this. And then you're gonna have this. And this, what you say, I've been using grease, so I don't get out shooting much. It didn't function like I like. But you're gonna take the spring right here, push it in, pull it up. There's your spring. And your barrel right here, which I got it super lubed. You pull up a little bit on it if it's lubed up as good as mine. Pull it up, pull it forward. And there's how you do that. And it's all disassembled. It's pretty simple. I mean, it's all you got. 1, 2, 3, 4 parts all together just to disassemble this gun. Now to reassemble, you do it one-handed. It's that easy. You're gonna take it, push this right here through, pull it back, lock it in like that right there. It's good and locked in. And you'll take your spring, and you're gonna push it up. What I do with it? All right, you got this in, and you got this in. Set in right there at the piece sticking up, and go forward toward toward the end of your barrel. You're gonna push it forward. You're gonna push it forward again to where it slips up over this spring. Well, it's a lot harder to do one-handed, and it's greased up. There we go. See it? Now locked in, and the tip of it should look like this right here. You should have right there sticking out, and then the rest of it's easy peasy. Got to clean it later. You just take it, slide the rail, send it over the rail, pull it back, just like we did when we first did it right there. Sorry, it makes it hard. Ain't being a photographer or anything. And you're gonna take this pin right here. You see the side that's got the little dimple piece right here? It's gonna go up just toward the frame. Just gonna stick it in. Oh, maybe so much harder one-handed. Make sure your barrel's pushed all the way forward. You have to line it up. Yep. You'll line it up. And then stick it in there. The more lube, the better. Push it real good and tight. Make sure it's in there level. And when it is, you'll hear it click. And shoot, that's all you do. You make sure it's good. Rag it back a few times. Should be good and smooth. And that's it. Real simple gun to do. Thanks for watching.